Thank you for your interest in the State of New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services request for a proposal for a data management environment. This presentation will review who we are, what OneStop is, the background for the project, the current state, and the future state and goals of the project. Who is NHDES? The New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services is responsible to help sustain a high quality of life for all citizens by protecting and restoring the environment and public health in New Hampshire. The protection and wise management of the state's environment are the main goals of the agency. The department has 3 divisions: air resources, waste management, and water. Additionally, there are several groups within the Office of the Commissioner, including New Hampshire Geological Survey, Pollution Prevention, and Strategic Planning. The Commissioner's Office also contains the Project Management and Innovation Unit, who crafted and released this RFP. The team members at the vendor conference include the members of the Project Management and Innovation Unit, Muriel LaJoy, Project Owner, Sue Bergeron, Project Manager, Tom Taggart, Technical Project Manager, Kristen Swenson, GIS Coordinator, and Chris Dunbar, Subject Matter Expert. The Department of Information Technology is represented by Rick Druding, Lead Software Developer, Dan Burley, Database Administrator, Carrie Greeno, Software Developer and Subject Matter Expert on the current OneStop, Derek Sirac, GIS Software Developer, and Dom-May Wong, Infrastructure Manager. Finally, Marie-Eve Schock, Business Analyst from the Land Resources Management Bureau, and Susan Carlson, Chief Operations Officer for NHDES, complete the team. Full team member biographies can be found at the end of this presentation. What is OneStop? Based on a 2000-era EPA initiative, NHDES developed a system to display data to the public. This system, known as OneStop, displays information about regulated entities and environmental concerns to the public. OneStop has grown since the initial development and now encompasses 3 functions: the OneStop Basic Search and the program-specific pages, OneStop Data Provider, and OneStop Data Mapper. OneStop exposes data supplied by over 200 custom-built software applications and is seen as a critical point of environmental data access to regulated entities, other state agencies, townships and municipalities, and the general public. Background. The idea for this project started when OneStop was shut down in December of 2019 as a result of vulnerabilities identified during cybersecurity testing. Parts of the system were down for over 3 months, creating thousands of hours of work for NHDES staff in answering phone calls and sending information that was normally available on OneStop. While these vulnerabilities were rectified, the system still does not meet current web standards. In addition to making OneStop compliant with current standards, we endeavor to make it easier for all citizens to find the data they need when they need it by using new and innovative technology, including cloud hosting solutions to reduce the need for in-house staff maintenance. Over the course of 9 months, we held various discovery meetings, sent out surveys, and reviewed reports from bureau-specific needs. We documented over 300 requirements necessary to fully replace OneStop. From these requirements, we found 5 common themes. We decided each theme would be its own phase. The first phase is to create a new data management environment. The RFP released on September 8th is focused solely on this phase. The additional phases are described here for context. At a high level, this new data management environment will replace the current data warehouse and allow us to bring data together from disparate systems, include a content library, associate entities, and be easily used and maintained by program staff. In Phase 2, we connect a user-friendly search interface to the DME. This interface will allow the public to search for data in the data management environment, view search results on a map and in tabular format, download and print search results, and be easy to use and maintain, including adding additional data as it becomes available. Phase 3 connects business intelligence tools to the DME, including reports, data analytics, and visual interfaces. These business intelligence tools will be intuitive and easy to use. Phase 4 synchronizes passwords from phases 1, 2, 3, and eventually 5. The Federated Identity Management solution will allow a single username and password regardless of which individual system you are using. It will contain the identity management features needed for complying with Chrome Air. It will also allow program staff to control access to their systems. The system will also be easy to use and maintain. Phase 5 will implement the collection of data and management of workflows, which includes electronic forms and data uploads, document generation and online payment, and like all other parts of OneStop, the system will be easy to use and maintain. Current state. As stated previously, OneStop is a compilation of web pages and associated back-end databases built over the last 2 decades that displays data from disparate data sources. The current setup requires 95% of developer staff time to maintain those disparate systems that supply information to OneStop. With developers focused on maintaining individual program databases, no single developer understands how OneStop works. Components of OneStop are written in over 8 different programming languages. OneStop has difficulty uploading large files, and the technology that runs OneStop is end of life. Future state and goals. As the foundation of phases 2 through 5, the data management environment is arguably the most important phase. We are looking for an experienced partner or partner group to migrate the existing data warehouse into a data management environment that can combine data from disparate sources, clean the data, organize the data, add data as new data streams become available, and expose data to other systems. Once trained, NHDES envisions that the data management environment will be used by non-technical staff to accomplish these tasks. Thank you for taking the time to review our request for proposal. Please email pmiumailbox@des.nh.gov to submit any questions to be answered at the conference. We look forward to seeing you virtually on September 30th.